Hi guys! So in this use case we're gonna learn how to generate a cool Shopify product video to hopefully upload in your Insta stories. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you guys like this type of content, or if you have other ideas, please share them with us. We're gonna be using Google Calendar reminders to easily download the video and upload it to your Insta stories. In this use case, we're gonna be using Shopify, Spreadsheets, Woxo, and of course Google Calendar. So come with me and let me show you how to do this. So let's get started right away. Just before we start with our steps, it's really important for you to go to your spreadsheet and add a column called metadate. This is just basically gonna set the outline of when you're gonna get your reminders to post a story, and so it's really important for you to add it beforehand so everything is connected correctly and everything works smoothly pretty much. Then we're gonna go to our step number 1, which is to set up the trigger. For this one, we're just gonna choose schedule by Zapier and say every day for the event. We're gonna click on continue and go to set up trigger. This case is really up to you. In this one, we say we do wanna get triggers on weekends and the time of the day is set to 10 a.m. We're gonna test it and continue. Then we get to the lookup spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. This is the event you're gonna choose, and the app is just gonna be Google Sheets. You're gonna choose your account and then go ahead and set up your action. In this case, you just need to make sure you select the correct spreadsheet you wanna be working on and select the sheet. For the lookup column, you're gonna put metadate, which is the one you just added before starting, and for the lookup value, you're gonna put pretty date. Then for the rest, just leave as they are. For this one, select false, and you're gonna test action and continue. For this one, we're gonna choose webhooks by Zapier and under action event, custom request, and we're gonna go to setup action. So here we're just gonna follow the same format as you can see, and for the URL, if you don't have it, don't worry, you can find it and easily copy and paste it to your own workflow if you look down and click on our tutorial on the description below. For the headers, don't forget to put the theme, the token. If you don't know where to find this, then go ahead and look to our tutorial in the description below, and of course don't forget to add content type. We're gonna test and continue. Then we're gonna do the delay for. You're simply gonna choose delay for in the event, and then go ahead and set up action. This is really up to you, and of course you're gonna go and test it, and we're gonna go to our get action. So this one, you just need to choose webhooks by Zapier, and for the action event, click on get. You're gonna click on continue and then go to set up action. As you can notice, every single step starts from you choose an app and event, and then you go to set up action. That's like the two main things you need to worry about for every single one. And for this one, you're just gonna make sure you go to add the success code. So in the one we added before, and we're gonna go ahead, delete the generate and add the success code. So how do we do this? We just go to custom request and simply click on the success code. Don't forget to add the same headers, the theme, the token, the ones you added before, and test action. Everything should be working fine until now. So as you can see, they all have check, and we're gonna go to our last action, which is gonna be to quick add event in Google Calendar. So you're gonna choose the app, Google Calendar, and under event, quick add event. Click on continue, and then you're gonna choose your account. And then we're gonna go to the setup action part after you choose your account. And here we're gonna choose our calendar again, and then describe the event. We're gonna continue and go to test action. Once you test your action, your event should be automatically added to your Google Calendar. In this case, we're gonna go check it out. So here's what I wrote in the description. If you remember, I said post and then the download link, which I find a lot easier because I can just go ahead, copy, go to a new tab, paste, and when I click on enter, it automatically downloads. And that's why I suggested that you also connect and Google Calendar you have connected to your phone, because then you could easily do this from your phone and upload it. This is the video we just generated. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys found this tutorial / use case easy to follow and it was helpful. If you guys have any feedback, you know where to find us, or you can simply leave your comments below. We'll be happy to read you guys. And that's all for today. Hope you guys have a great day wherever you are. Bye. And we're gonna check it out. Check it out.